Hey Munchies, welcome to the channel if you're new, or if you're not, I'm Alyssia and I'm so happy you're here. Last year I became a FabFitFun partner and it has been such a fun experience. It is a seasonal subscription box and I am not a beauty or a makeup person, which was my initial hesitation about it, but now they have so many lifestyle and even fitness items that I just get so excited to customize the box and open it up, so you will see my custom box items today. This is the Summer 2020 box. The theme is You Got This, and I think it's safe to say that we could all use that reminder as an extra boost for motivation and confidence these days. It has been a challenging time for a lot of us, and on that note, I do hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. I have partnered with FabFitFun on this video, but this is my impression of the box and all of these opinions are my own, so I will tell you what I like and what I don't. If you want to try it out, you can use the code MUNCH to get 10 bucks off your first box at FabFitFun.com, which you can customize to your liking. Let's start with the Kula Mineral Face Sunscreen with a matte finish SPF 30. So fun fact, I have had sunscreen anxiety since I was a young teen, I guess. I used to wear it on my whole body every single day for about 10 years. And now for the last few years, I have chilled out a little bit. I just do my face, neck, and arms daily. So when this was an option to customize for all members, I knew I would want to try it out. I picked the fragrance-free option, but they also have a cucumber one if you prefer. It is noted to be sheer, non-greasy, fast-absorbing, plus plant protection. Say what? So they use a proprietary plant protection complex, which is supercharged with antioxidant-rich ingredients such as buriti oil and prickly pear extract to help fight free radicals and nourish skin. I didn't know what buriti was. I still don't know if I'm saying it right, but I looked it up and it is a tree that produces a fruit that's very nourishing and moisturizing and repairs the skin, so it makes sense to put it in a sunscreen. It doesn't smell. When I tried it, it's not greasy and it is fast absorbing. I love when a package tells the truth. It is also vegan, cruelty-free, and thank goodness it's gluten-free too. I like it. I have not found a face sunscreen that I love so much that I stick with it regularly, so I am glad to have this one to try out. It was 36 bucks that I didn't have to spend, which actually, now that I think about it, is the price almost of this box that you get if you use my code. Okay, Spongele Coconut Verbena Hand Cream. Probably saying that wrong. So it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. It smells amazing. I'm not even kidding. I can't believe I like it as much as I do. I don't usually like smelly stuff. It's not, I mean, it's a fragrance, but it smells really good. It's like a little bit coconutty, but more like a peach. And it's also kind of floral, like jasmine-y. It is a hand cream, so you don't really need a tutorial, you just massage it into your hands, but I really love it. It leaves my hands feeling soft and refreshed, but not oily, not sticky, and it's also vegan friendly and cruelty free, and it is only 2 ounces, so not that we're doing much traveling these days, but it is travel friendly. I would actually buy this again. Remember, FabFitFun always includes full-size products too, not just samples, so that is a huge perk. The Pottery Barn Maison Home Scent Collection Ceramic Diffuser was another customization option available to all members. Why do those names have to be so long? I have thought about buying a diffuser for years. Why haven't I? I don't know. It just seems like a thing that would be nice to have on the shelf, but do I want to spend 59 bucks on it? No. But if it's in this box, which costs less than the diffuser alone, okay, sure, send it to me and I will enjoy it. And I have enjoyed it. I like the modern look and I like the smell. This one comes with the fragrance of bergamot, geranium, and vetiver. It smells like a mix of citrus and fruit and floral and spice. It's really good. It makes me think of a little bergamot lotion that Christian loves that we got from a fancy hotel once in New York as one of those little toiletries. And we took as many as possible because I looked up the lotion and I was like, it is so expensive. There is no way I'm ever gonna buy this. I actually did end up buying it, but still, the toiletries lasted a while. You literally just add the fragrance oil to the base and then add the reeds. And of course, you can use the diffuser with any oil later too, so this is one that will last. The magazine always shows the retail price, some information, and even some ideas for how to use some of these lifestyle items, which was really nice. A $50 credit to Bright Cellars wine. Nice. I do not drink much wine, but sometimes I buy it so that I have it at the house when other people come so that they can drink wine. So thanks, FabFitFun. Okay, the Isaac Mizrahi Loves XO Sienna Vase is another home good available in this box for select members. Woohoo! Woo! I am telling you, I'm not a big beauty person, but I love all the fun lifestyle items that they offer now. This vase is hand dipped and it's so cute. It's artsy and creative looking, and who knows, maybe it will give me some ideas. I added some cute little flowers to mine, but you could also just display it as is, of course. This is another thing I look at and I'm like, I wouldn't buy it, but I still want to have it if someone is offering it. You know what I mean? So there had to be some beauty stuff in this box. This Winky Luxe eyebrow pencil says Unibrow in the magazine and on the package, and it made me chuckle, but apparently it means universal brow pencil because the same shade can work for every brow. Wow, I don't know much about eyebrows or their maintenance. I've gotten my eyebrows done like twice in my entire life, but I have noticed that the older I get, the more they seem to disappear. So I gave it a go, and what do you know? It makes them look more filled in. So I guess it has done its job. I am sure you would be far more skilled at using this tool than I, and it would make your brows look fabulous. I have a bag of makeup that I keep for the couple of times a year I decide to wear it, so this will go in that. And maybe the more that my eyebrows disappear, the more I will use it. Although I will say, discovering new products like this is one of the things that I've loved most about FabFitFun, and sometimes it's the items that I don't expect to like that end up being my favorite. So who can know what the future holds for my eyebrows? The Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator was another FabFitFun pick. A blending sponge is not a tool I am particularly familiar with, aka I've never used one. It is latex free and has a silicone side to give your makeup a flawless finish. I watched some YouTube videos to learn about makeup sponges. There is some debate apparently around whether silicone or sponge is better. This one has both, so I guess it's a hybrid. It must be better, right? 2 is better than 1. Now, I considered showing you me using this, and then I realized that would just be silly because I don't know how. I don't even know what flawless finish means, and also I don't care. This is the wrong channel for that. I have no advice for you, and I'm sorry. What I can say is it's soft and it's squishy, and I like that, and I like that it's purple. And I will keep it in my bathroom drawer for the day that I feel like being more of a girl than I feel like today. You can't win them all, but it seems you can win some, like this silk satin pillow sleeve, which was an option for select members, and I chose it. I am not much of a beauty person, but I love my beauty sleep. I prioritize sleep hygiene and health, and while I'm not a makeup person, I love the idea of getting less wrinkles as I age. So when I saw that this prevents not only bedhead, but creases on the skin, I was like, yeah, sign me up. So the sleeve apparently helps retain moisture in your skin and hair so that you can look more refreshed when you wake up. It has an anti-slip back and open-ended sides. I don't really know why the sides are open. It was strange to me, but also fine, I guess. And all of that aside, it is so soft. It is silky, and it feels so nice to sleep on. I looked it up, and apparently silk is a natural moisturizing textile that's good for the skin, so I guess that's why. But honestly, I was surprised by my hair. It didn't get as frizzy or crazy or anything, so while I chose it for the anti-aging wrinkle selling point, I will probably keep it for the hair. Okay, at the bottom of the box, we have my last item, but not the least. In fact, it is the one I wanted the most, this Business and Pleasure Co. cooler bag. Available to all members. I think this is so cute and functional. I love the striped pattern and the woven material. It feels sturdy and well made. I love the shoulder strap. It just feels like it will last. It keeps the food and drinks cold. It's big enough for a small picnic, but also not so big that it's bulky to carry around. It's almost like an XL sized lunchbox. Summer is here, so I guess I'll be able to get good use out of it during this picnic season. This bag was $59, and it seems like it would cost that much. It is a great bag, but remember, that is $20 more than the cost of this entire box using the code MUNCH for everything in this box. So this entire box is over $200 worth of stuff, but it can be yours for only $39.99. So I really love this. This is worth the entire box to me. I just think it's so cute. Also, FabFitFun has recipes and workouts and other goodness to inspire you with this bag and the rest of the summer box on their website through FabFitFun TV. It really has been a great deal. I have enjoyed the box every single time I get it, and I always look forward to what's next. It's like my birthday every single time I get the box. I also love that FabFitFun raises money for nonprofits. This season, they are partnering with the Special Olympics. They also support female-founded companies, and they're really trying to practice sustainability and reduce waste. And it's really encouraging to see these kinds of efforts, especially as they expand. And now, FabFitFun is available in the US, Canada, and UK. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed my review. If you want to try it out, you can use my code and let me know what you are going to customize in your box in the comments. I will see you later this week with a brand new episode. Bye.